Hey gang, Carl here. I'm just doing a header install, and then I'm gonna do a tune on this 96 Impala SS. It has very little mods. And I didn't think I'd be doing a video of like the whole thing, because I'm taking the stock manifolds off and then putting these clear images on. They're in the box here. Right, these tri-wise. I just wanted to point out I'm doing a header install. I'm removing the stock headers. This has a test pipe right now. Oh, welded in right there. That's no good. That's not going to work. Anyway, well, the previous installer put the O2 sensor down where it can collect moisture and ruin the O2 sensor. It's supposed to be not 90 degrees. It's supposed to be like 45 to 0 or 45 like that up top. I think you know that, but I just wanted to show that. Right now I'm just making room for getting the old headers out, the old stock manifolds, trying to figure out a way to do that. And this is not good because I thought it would be an easy transition, you know, to go to the catback, but the previous installer did not do that. So I'll take this to 4Ts and have them do the transition pipe right there. And it'll go open headers to 4Ts, Tommy at 4Ts. But I'll keep you posted on other things that I've come across that people shouldn't do. Right there. Don't do that. Okay, for headers, for my video on headers, stock manifolds aren't easy if they're old. So from under the car, you're going to need to get the EGR, which is right up there. And I would like to get the last header bolt, the one on the, like at exhaust number 8, that one there first, in case, you know, that'll minimize the chance of that bolt breaking off in the head. And over here on this side, the same thing. Just get that one first so it minimizes the chance of like if you take all the other ones off, then that could have some stress on it and it could break the bolt. I'm gonna do that one first. But this passenger side is a real pain in the butt because you have to get off the EGR pipe, and what a pain, eh? Okay, I had to change my mind about taking that bolt off right up there for the EGR from up above. I thought I'd be able to pull the manifold up and reach that, but doing it from below, because now I have wiggle room where I can get it up and get some wrench room, some wrench space. Okay, it is 1/2 inch for that bolt up there. I just wanted to let you know. And so I took the headers down I dropped them out the bottom and ended up breaking the spark plug and the temp sender. But of course I have a replacement, but I would have preferred not to break those. Down to the bottom, from the bottom. Reason I didn't take it up top because I couldn't get this unbolted and this was interfering, and so I had to drop it down below. Okay, see way up there? I got the bolt started. So now I just gotta tighten her up from down below on that EGR way up there. Yeah, right there. I got the bolt started. It's a 1/2 inch. Okay, before I forget, I'm gonna describe how I put the passenger side header in, the CIA header. I did it from the top. I didn't have to move this. I had to bend the dipstick, bend it in to make room. I had to get rid of the air pump This will get removed later, but this had to be bent out of the way. And I left it loose, you know, once I got it down in there from above, I left it loose so that I could put these, I guess, you know, shields from the A-arms onto these air conditioner lines so that they don't cut on the A-arms, these little pieces of metal. I have those down in there. You should do that when you're doing headers so that the air conditioner lines, you have to bend them out of the way. They'll rest on top of the A-arm, and the A-arm is sharp. Eventually those will cut through and you'll lose your air conditioner. Okay, now over here on the driver's side, I took the stock manifold out. No video. This is a whole lot easier. There's a lot more room. I did not even have to move a spark plug. But putting the clear images in, who knows, you know, I have to play that by ear. I might have to remove some spark plugs for more clearance. We'll see. Okay, I got these headers in. The easiest ever to put in. They just drop in without bumping into anything, straight down from the top. Nice, tight, compact, real good bolt access for every area. Even this one here, this 5 header is always, this tube is always tight. And this is really, really good clearance. Good job, Dan Ferrer. All right, it's been cooked off. The headers got some heat in them. You hear that, it sounds like a truck. That's because the downpipes are connected to the exhaust.